Good morning everybody, and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at the allotment again. I've got to film this on my phone so the quality won't be all there. You won't see me, maybe just see my shadow in the pictures. But I'm just showing you my lilies at the moment. They're flowered and they look nice. That's my favourite flower. Right, so I'm down at the allotment. My cameraman's not here with me, so I'm filming this on my phone. Just showing you what's going on. Got my polytunnel here. You can see it's just pure sweet potatoes what's taking over. That's what's going on. You can see how it's grown from the bags, from the pots and everything. I've got my turmeric down here, what's starting to come through now. I've got my ginger down here, what's starting to come through. I've got to move this pot because it's getting shaded out by the sweet potatoes. What I was doing, I was going through the sweet potatoes, and if you're going through your sweet potatoes, any ones what you see leaves what's got holes like this, don't leave them on there. I'll show you. I have to do it like this. Any what you see what's got holes on this, don't leave them on there. Just pick them off. It don't matter. You're not gonna do anything to the plant. Just in case it's you've got mites or anything like that. Those are my onions over the back there. My lettuces. I'm gonna be taking some of these out. I want to get all of them out, but that's how it goes. Sometimes you just got to do what you can. Right, those are my peppers up there, my Scotch bonnets. You can see they're almost like growing into trees now. They've got flowers on them. When you're growing plants, you've got to watch out for all these like weeds and all that. I'll show you. This is a weed. So what just comes up out of things. That's my strawberries. Got my strawberry baskets up still. I might put them out soon. These are my peanuts. They're doing all right. These are my okawanis. These are the last lot what I planted. They're just starting to run now. You see they're starting to run. My sweetheart melon what I just planted, I think these are about 2 weeks old now, so that's how fast they grow. This is my other one. See, it's got melons on it. Sorry about the video quality. My marigolds. This tomato down there, I don't know why the leaves are curling up. I don't know if it's lack of watering or what. And then my spring onions down there, which I've got to sort out. This is another okawani. This was the first lot I planted. You can see that the leaves are different from the other ones. These are our tomatoes what I brought down. You see they're picking up pace already. My chilies. This was the one with the snails head down. It's come back and started flowering. These ones you can see it's got chilies on them. This is a jalapeno. It's got jalapenos on there, and that one just starting to flower now. So I'll show you the sweet potatoes from this end. You can see there's just like a sea now. My carrots down here. I don't know what that is. Mushrooms. Another Scotch bonnet there. Got some roshidos. Another tomato down there what's picking up pace already. And some other things up here what I've got to sort out. So I'm just coming out of here now. The temperature up this end is 30. It's what's 7:30 now in the morning. So I got here early to get out of the sunshine. Didn't want to be doing anything in the heat. Got some pumpkins down there, what's left to plant out at the top when I get a chance. These are my onions. They'll soon be ready. The sweet potatoes what I put in bucket, you can see they're starting to take off now. The okra yam and the beetroot. These are my potatoes. Next time I come, I'm gonna have to empty some of them. See, my roses are doing nice this year as well. This is my herb bed. Gotta just sort this out next time I come down here. What is that? Oregano, thyme, tarragon. The sage is starting to come back. The snails ate that off. The curry leaves, this is my rhubarb, nice white rose there. So I'm just showing you everything, what's going on. I've got all this weeding up to do. Got to trim the grass again, it grows at some rate. These are my red roses. See, they're coming up nice. Right. So these are my pink fir potatoes. They're just coming up now, starting to flower. My elephant garlic are still in. Just waiting for them to rust down a bit. They're starting now, but I want them to rust up a bit more. These are 2 pumpkins what I planted here to go over. You see they're running nicely. My cho-cho there. I've got another one on this side. What keeps coming loose, every time I tie it up it keeps coming loose. So I'm gonna have to leave that and let that run. Got some cucumbers in here. And my courgettes. Maybe the only corn what I might get this year. That person what was meant to bring me the corn let me down, didn't turn up. So this might be the only corn what I get this year. But that's how things go. My French beans in there. My French beans. And this is my cabbages, my broccoli, what you saw me harvest. My rashidos are in there. Next time I come down I'll weed that up. I've got all this area to sort out. All this, it's just a gourd what was here when I came. It came up last year. It was over there, over the back there, and it come up. And then I thought, okay, I'll leave it. I'll show you my figs, because someone was asking me what happened to my fig tree. I haven't shown it. This is my figs. See some nice, don't know if you can see the fruits on there. It's got quite a few on there. Right. that noise what you're hearing flickering. Every time this person comes down, he just leaves his gloves all over the place. Gets on my blinking nerves. Right, so this is all that greenery. I've got to get all this off. It looks bad, but it's not. It's just running. Right, coming up here. This is a peony here. Another one there. I've got the weed out around it again. And then these are my pumpkins up here, what I planted. The last time I gave them some of that. I gave them some of that nettle fertilizer, and that seems to have given them the boost what they needed. So I might give them another drink of it if I've got time. I'll give them another little bit today and see how they do. So that's what's going on up the plot. So I'm going to get on with something else, then I'll be back with you in a minute. If you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. I will get back to you on them. I might be a bit behind at the moment because I've got some other editing and stuff to do, but I will get back to you on them, so don't worry about it. We do answer every single question. It might take us a few days, but that's how it goes sometimes. So that's what the old plot looks like now. The grass was trimmed down a couple of weeks ago. See, it's starting to spring back. I want to try and keep it as low as I can, so I might probably be going over it again in a week or so, just going over it again. So hopefully we'll be getting there, so I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so what I've been doing meanwhile, I've dug up this bed, got that bed all sorted, and I've got the other bed all sorted as well. Put down a thick layer, about 8 inches of manure on top of that. I found some volunteer potatoes, some nice volunteer potatoes there. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing meanwhile. So now I'm going to get some of the nettle water and water those pumpkins up the top again. I need to try and keep on top of everything. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. So you see everything's coming along nicely. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. I'm just looking at my French beans and they're running up the net just how I want them to run up the net. So that should be a good thing for them. So these ones, I put in some of the nettle water and it seems to be working leaps and bounds, so I'm going to just carry on using it and mixing it as I go along. You see we've got loads of nettles around, got all those up there to take out the old one and put some new one in, so to make it nice and thick and ready for planting. So that's what I've done for today. Just going to do the watering now. Sure you don't want to see me water, so like I said, don't just watch the channel, like, share and subscribe, tell all your friends about the channel as well, and hopefully we'll grow together. So you take care until the next time.